Hello lefty wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. We are on the 9th month of maintenance, and I think I misspoke last month. I think I said we were 2/3 of the way, 3/4 of the way, because last month we were 2/3 of the way. Now we're 3/4 of the way through. I think I was just confusing a little bit of the numbers and how that fraction works, but now we can say we are 3/4. We are 75% done. So just 3 more months after this. It's crazy, and it's also crazy because then you kind of see, how the year snuck up on you, and it's already this late. So I think it's kind of fun to do this because then you see, oh yeah, like it's really been a long time. Um, so yeah, not much to say here, just because you know it's not fatigue, I would say, but it's like I just not to say it's hard. Well, it is hard. It is hard to try and remember to do this and to have some sense of motivation to do this every month, because like it's not it's an easy task, yes, but it's also kind of a tedious task. And so fighting that temptation to say, you know what, let's skip a month, I think it takes a lot of self-control. I'm not just saying this for my own like praise and lack of humility. I'm saying this for those watching who maybe experience some of those difficulties too, and trying to stay true to the fight, whether it's this writing with your left hand, which may be more insignificant than other things in your lives, um, or something else that you're working on. But either way, almost there. So stay strong. Alrighty, goodbye.